channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, we are doing a fall house tour. I'm going to be showing you my living room area and my kitchen. I did film a decorate with me where you guys can see exactly how I decorated, but I have changed a few things and I thought it would be nice to just put up a full fall house tour for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy it. I will leave my decorate with me in the description box down below if you are interested in watching that one as well. And without further ado, let's get on to the house tour. So we are going to start this fall tour right here at my front door. Hanging on my front door, I have this gorgeous wreath that I got from Joann's. It's very neutral, which made me drawn to it. It has some pretty floral pieces with some pine cones. I do have a wreath holder that says Happy Thanksgiving. And then panning to the left here, I just have this plaque that I got from Hobby Lobby with my niece and nephew's picture there. And then I have this cute piece from Michaels. I have had this for 2 years now and I absolutely love it. So moving back to the right of the front door, I have these pieces from the Target dollar spot, the keys holder and the little post envelope. I do have these hanging wall sconces, and these on each side are from Hobby Lobby. Moving down here, we just have my little basket as soon as you come in the door to put shoes in. And then I have this side table that is from Home Goods. I absolutely love it. On here, I just have a cute little floral and pumpkin display along with my favorite candle, which is leaves. And I just have it in a holder that says thankful. My lamp is also from Home Goods. And now we are going to pan over to my living room. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of an overview of what that looks like. I didn't go too crazy with decorating for fall in here, just added a couple pops of color. So starting on my coffee table here, I just got this centerpiece from Home Goods. I really love it. It goes along with my coloring in my house. And then I have these flowers right here from Rose Forever, New York. I am absolutely in love with these, you guys. So they have a ton of different gorgeous roses on their website to pick from. These roses do last up to a year and you can pick a ton of different colors and sizing as well. This would be a great gift for anyone for the holidays or even for a birthday or anniversary. My coffee table is from American Furniture Warehouse and so is my couch. It is from Ashley Furniture if you want to know the exact brand. So moving over to the pillows, most of my pillows are from Kirkland's and Target. These two pillows right here are from Kirkland's, and then this home pillow is from Target dollar spot section. Moving over to the middle of my couch, I have this really pretty throw from Marshall's. That gather pillow is from Marshall's as well. And then the hand-picked Farm Fresh Pumpkins pillow is from the Target dollar spot. I have these same exact pillows on this side with a really pretty throw from Home Goods. Now moving up the wall on this side, I have a Welcome Fall pillow that is from Kirkland's and my cute little llama that I got. Then I have this really pretty window pane with a wreath inside with two sconces on the side. So I really love the way that my living room area turned out. It is one of my favorite places to be in my house. I love the way that my couch fits in my living room as well. I feel like it was really hard to find a sectional that would fit and not look awkward in this space. So I will try to link as much as I can for you guys in the description box down below. Now we are going to move over to this side where my TV is. So this is pretty simple. I don't have a ton of decorations over here. As you can see, my puppy is chilling in her house, taking a nap. We're gonna start over here to the left of my TV. So here is where I have my blanket ladder that I don't use for blankets anymore. I just have some pillows from the dollar spot section. And then I have my puppy's toys that is overflowing out of her basket because she has way too many. And then I got this nice wire basket from Marshall's. It is the Magnolia brand, and I just have it filled with some comfy blankets in there. As you can see, I just have them kind of thrown in there, and then I have the fringed blanket kind of hanging over. So I'll give you guys kind of an idea what it looks like without that kind of ugly dog toy bin. I really love the way that this corner turned out. It turned out very farmhousey, which I absolutely love. I do have my hanging shelves as well, which I didn't really add much for the fall time. I just added some pumpkins, as you can see there. Panning over to my entertainment system area, not a ton has changed here either. I just added a different garland, which I did get this from Joann's as well. I do have that home banner, which is from Target Dollar Spot, as always. And then I do have this adorable little pumpkin from Rae Dunn that says family. And then of course, my birdhouse is down there and on each side. Now moving over to this side, I just have my doggies' kennels and another one of their bins of toys right there. And then I do have some more hanging shelves, which I do decorate seasonally. So as you can see, I just have a bunch of random knick-knacky stuff. All of this stuff is either from HomeGoods, Michael's, or TJ Maxx. Moving over to this side of the wall, I just have this plaque from Hobby Lobby and this nice floor lamp from Target. And then panning over to this side, I have this nice plaque from Hobby Lobby and this nice floor lamp from IKEA. So moving on to the kitchen area, I just have this nice dream catcher hanging right next to the fridge, and then I have a marble pumpkin on the floor there. Now to give you guys an overview of the kitchen area, this is what it looks like. I again didn't do a ton of decorating for fall, but I like to keep things as minimal as I can. So starting right here on my kitchen island, you guys have seen this in a couple of my videos. I just did a cute little centerpiece here. The two pumpkins on each side are from the Target Dollar Spot section. This cute little ghost is from Marshall's and TJ Maxx. You can find him at both. I just got this little plaque from Hobby Lobby that says Hello Fall. And then I just added a nice picture with some floral pieces in there. And I did also add some of my Rae Dunn bowls. I did also add some fall picks as well. These are from the Target Dollar Spot section. They were just $1 each. So that is what my kitchen island looks like. I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. Coming over to the left side of my kitchen, I have my Magnolia wire basket with my pasta bowls, my Happy Halloween platter from Rae Dunn, and then I also have these cute little towels that I got from the Target Dollar Spot section last year. Just says my favorite season is pumpkin spice. Now coming up to the area with my Hobby Lobby shelf, I get a lot of questions about this, so I will make sure to leave it linked down below. I have painted mine gray and white just to go with my kitchen a little bit more. So I have all of my Rae Dunn canisters. I put a little pumpkin from the Target Dollar Spot section along with some leaves. And then I did fill this middle compartment here with a bunch of little pumpkins, which I thought was a cute detail. Moving over here, I just have my utensils crock with my Hobby Lobby shelf that I also get so many questions about. Unfortunately, I cannot find a link to it. I wish I could. I did do these two little tiered stands. These are from the Target Dollar Spot section. I did a DIY on them. If you want to go and watch that, I will link it down below. Pretty much everything here is from the Target Dollar Spot section. Moving over to my sink area, I have this cute little display with my flowers, stem, and bloom. And then moving over to my little coffee area, I have another tiered stand from Target, and I do also have my Keurig with my basic witch mug. It is one of my favorite mugs ever. Now moving along to my pantry door, I have this wreath that I got from Joann's. Again, one of my favorite wreaths. You could leave this up all year because it's very neutral colored. And then moving over to my Hutch area. So this is one of my favorite places in my kitchen. I just have this cute plaque from Marshall's at the top that I hung up. And then I have this nice little display with my Rae Dunn canisters here with the buffalo check ribbons on the top. I did just add some floral pieces to the top here. I didn't really know what to do with this sign that my mom got for me, so I just put it there, but you can see what it looks like without it. I didn't really do much inside of my hutch except for adding some pumpkins here and there. So if you guys haven't seen my hutch before, which I'm sure you have, that is what it looks like. Now coming around to the dining room area, I will make sure to link my kitchen table because I'm pretty sure I can link it for you guys. It's from Macy's. So I just have a nice buffalo check table runner from Hobby Lobby with this nice tray in the middle with some birdhouses, some floral arrangements with some cotton, and then I added 2 pumpkins as well. Very simple again, but I really like the way that this turned out. And then the last area that I'm going to share with you is one of my favorites as well. So all of this stuff is obviously Rae Dunn. The little cabinet is from Home Goods. I got this probably a year ago. I have all of my fall and Halloween mugs down there. I really like the way that this display came out. And then I just have this quote right above it that says, "Do what you can with what you have where you are." It's one of my favorite quotes ever. So that is going to be it for my fall house tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.